How are you? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your new person or the person that you're currently dealing with or yung person nagpapalik sa inyo. Let us see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Leo. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies and messages for love, relationship, and romantic connections for Leo. Energies, please, for Leo. Messages and energies for Leo. Desire. Dating. Snooping. So we have desire, self-pleasure, sexual thoughts, intense feelings. You are desirable. Leo, for some of you, you are feeling this way. You have these intense feelings. Okay, for another person or someone is missing you a lot and having these thoughts about you. They desire you, Leo. Okay. We have dating, new love, options back on the market. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, maraming options, okay? You are looking for new love, you are back on the market, you are available, okay? You are open for relationship. You think you are ready, Leo? Okay. Snooping, drive-by, stalking, or social media, psychic or tarot readings. Okay? Yeah. Someone is stalking, may gusto sa'yo. Okay? Maybe minsan or malapit sa inyo, pinupuntahan ka na hindi mo alam. Tinitingnan ang iyong mga photos, mga pinopost mo on social media. For some of you, you are talking to our tarot reader. Tinitingnan mo kung anong nangyayari sa kanila or it's the other way around. That person, chinicheka, tinitingnan kung ano yung mga updates sa'yo. Humihingi, nagko-consult sa mga tarot reader or sa mga someone na merong mga psychic abilities. Okay? They are very interested on you. merong mga online dating. May mga chine-check ka, may mga options, or this person is looking at you, may gusto sa inyo. Okay? They desire you. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga messages from the tarot for Leo, please. Messages and energies for energies and messages for Leo, please. Energies and messages for Leo. Energies. How does the person feel? Okay. Someone is ready to take a chance. Take a chance on you, Leo, okay? Gusto niya magkaroon ng relasyon sa inyo. Willing siya magsimula uli, okay? He or she is open for love. Willing siya magbago para sa inyo, Leo. He or she thinks that you can be trusted and sincere. Nagpapasaya ka sa kanya, Leo. You have, or he or she feels na compatible kayo emotionally. Okay? Marami nang pinagdaanan yung person na to. Okay? Pero Pero he or she is now recovering. Okay. Pwedeng yung person na to ay nasa not so good relationship in the past. Okay. Or in an unhealthy relationship in the past, and now he or she is breaking free from that. Willing siya magbago para sa inyo, Leo. Okay? Gagawin niya ang lahat para mapasaya ka. Ikaw nagpapasaya sa kanya, Leo. Okay? Feeling niya ikaw na yung the one. He or she wants to start a new beginning para sa inyo. Okay? Okay, yung person mo. Okay. Ikaw, nagdidesisyon ka pa kung tama ba to yung gagawin mo. Iniisip mo rin yung person na to, Leo. Okay? Mag-yes ba ako dito or hindi? Gusto ko rin siya eh. Pero, hindi pa ako sigurado kung anong mangyayari. Okay? Yan yung nasa isip ninyo, Leo. If you are in an existing relationship already, maraming nangyayari sa inyo na gulo, mayroong breakup na nangyari, and naguguluhan ka ngayon, gusto mo ibalik yung dating pagmamahalan, yung pagkakaintindihan ninyo. You are hoping that everything will be okay, Leo. Na-realize din ng taong ito ang kanyang mga pagkakamali. He or she is willing to break free from unhealthy habits, okay, and start a new beginning with you. Because he or she realizes na ikaw talaga yung mahal niya, yung gusto niya, ikaw nagpapasaya sa kanya sa buhay ninyo. May mga anak kayo, okay? Siguro nagkaroon lang ng temporary separation. Pero nakapag-isip-isip na-realize na ng person mo kung ano yung mga pagkukulang or pagkakamali. Okay? Okay. Definitely, gusto nyo magsimula uli, okay? Start a new beginning for both of you, para sa family ninyo. Okay. Kung nagkalayo man kayo, magkakaroon ng may magbabalik or magkakabalikan kayo. Okay? Kailangan ninyo ng oras, make time for both of you na makapag-usap. Kung ano yung natutunan ninyo sa isa't isa, sa nangyari, okay? Someone is willing to make a change para maging maayos ang inyong relationship, ang inyong pagsasamahan. Okay? Everything will be okay, Leo. Kailangan ng forgiveness. Okay? Pagkakaintindihan sa bawat isa. Okay? May pag-uusap na mangyayari. Ano yung mga lessons na natutunan ninyo sa inyong temporary breakup? Okay? or kung hindi man temporary, may nagkaroon talaga ng separation, and then someone is coming back because na-realize ng person na mali yung desisyon na lumayo sa inyo. Or it's the other way around, ikaw yon, Leo, okay? And you need this person and he needs you also. Merong clarity. And everything will be okay. You are thinking too much and negatively. You have to compose yourself, Leo, okay? Magkakaroon ng pag-aayos. You will work things out together, Leo. Okay. You can't resist each other. Mahal nyo pa rin ang isa't isa. Kailangan lang ng oras, kailangan ng pag-uusap, paglilinaw sa mga issues ninyo. Okay? Definitely someone is coming back, will be returning to you. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga energies and messages for Leo. New beginning. A new adventure awaits. Embrace it and live your dreams passionately. Okay? There will be a new beginning for both of you. Adventure awaits. Message for Leo, please. Messages for Leo. Leo. Ayaw. Dalawa. Romance. Cupid's arrow strikes. Sexual union. Honor the place in one another where you are one eternal soul. For there you will find true bliss. Okay? So honor the place in one another. So you are one. You are very connected to this person. Vice versa. Okay, Leo? So, yun lang yung mga messages sa inyo. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!